As the days grow shorter and the sunsets become more breathtaking, there's something undeniably magical about late summer. We believe in capturing that enchantment and would like to introduce to you our exquisite late summer romance collection. In this collection, you will find 8 beautiful colors, starting with Made in Nature, followed by Stormy Sea, a stunning gray-blue color. Then we have Chili Oil, a warm and spicy color. And this warm beige is called Wood Rose. Looking for an even warmer rose color? Choose Desert Rose. Such a beautiful soft coral color. And how about this classy gray? Mushroom. Or this captivating blue? Citadel. And last but certainly not least, we have Flexitarian, a fantastic purple with a hint of sparkle in it. These colors are perfect for late summer sunsets and beyond. Celebrate those unforgettable moments and enjoy a nice manicure, which will last for 2 weeks. If you would like to place an order, please contact your account manager. Stay tuned for what's coming up next.